Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to the channel, and I am playing with my mom's slime that she made by herself. Well, I kind of stir it, well, kind of, but just stirring, so, and it's made out of tapioca flour and starch, and it's super gross. Whipped cream. I'm just gonna turn it like this, so it will do like whipped cream. So it is really disgusting, but also like, I don't know, like jelly kind of. It's super sticky too. Okay, it's sticky and it has kind of a little bit glitter, a little bit. And if you guys didn't know, I just made a slime, but it's a total fail. Well, not really. The activator, we need more activators, so we will continue tomorrow. It is super sticky, Mommy. Tadi aku kini itu kayak yang nggak sampai gini, tapi ya gini. Beep. I am going to make poop slime. Poop, poop, poop. No! Oh no.
Okay, aku mau edit.
Whoa, look at this. Poop! Like, delete. You can't really stretch it because it's like, you just kind of like press it and stuff, squish it. Ew, ew, ew. I like this color, this one, but it's not finished. Hopefully it's gonna turn out gooder than the clear ones, cause this is clear, this is clear, this is clear. Well, it's actually clear, but it looks like not clear. It kind of looks like. This one looks like really clear, because it is clear. I don't like this one. Well, like, kind of. Because you're going to like play piano. Not really. You can prank everyone. I have a cup of snot. Do you want it? And then everybody will be like grossed out, like, ew, snot! Ew. Who wants to drink snot? I don't know, maybe snot people? I don't know if that exists, but I just made that up. Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't exist, because that would be gross. Okay, it rips, but it kind of like that. Okay, slime. I'm gonna put the slime in the hole, and then I'm going to read. I think I'm gonna play Roblox first, and then like get ready for bed. But I kind of already sleep already, but so I get extra time, I think, because I already slept. So, and I am a sleepyhead. So yeah, I am a sleepyhead. So I don't really, and I slept 2 hours and 30 seconds. Wow, that's a world record. Well, not really. That's my record. Whoa, that is cool. yeah. I slept 2 hours and 30 minutes. Wow. And tomorrow I have a Zoom class, so I better not be late because I want to see my friends. I miss them. But I don't miss them. But the bad part about Zoom is that if you talk to your friends, the teacher will be like, "Quiet! Listen to me." Maybe like not like that, but so I better not be late to class, or I'm gonna get a slap. Oh, the teacher can't slap me. Oh! Ew, disgusting. This is disgusting. I'm gonna read a book and then I'm gonna fall asleep. I don't like sleeping in the afternoon because you can't sleep at night. So yeah. Hopefully I'm not late for Zoom class because this is my first ever Zoom class. I never went into a Zoom class before. I don't know how it works. So, hopefully I'm not late. The Zoom class starts 9 at 9. So, yeah. It starts at 9, so I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe down below, and click that notification bell. Love y'all, peace out, assalamualaikum, bye.